Hi guys and welcome. In today's DIY adventure, I'll be building this vertical tote rack that you can see here behind me. I've already built it obviously, but I'll be going through that process and show you how that's put together. So this tote rack's pretty easy to build actually. The most difficult part is really the design and getting all the measurements correct so that your totes will actually fit in it. So later in the video I'm going to show you a rough drawing that I put together to help me get those measurements, and it'll show you everything you need to see in order to build your own tote rack. I went ahead and cut all the lumber in my garage prior to this. It was just quicker and easier. So I started and built two identical frames out of the 2x4s. And for the rails, I just ripped the 2x4s in half. So basically 2x2s. These are what really hold the two frames together and give everything its structure, its strength. I did decide to pre-drill the holes to keep the screws from splitting out the 2x2s. So here's the sketch I used to help me figure out all the measurements. It's kind of rough, but I think you can see what's happening. Really, these measurements all depend on the size of the tote that you're using. I bought my totes at Home Depot. I think they're the HDX brand, and it's a 27-gallon tote. Sometimes you can find them on sale for less than $8. Okay, we got the vertical tote rack put together. Just trying it out here, see how it fits in the shed. Let's check it out and see how the totes fit in this and how it all works. I probably could have made it a little more narrow, but I think it'll work fine. So here's the final rack in its place. I haven't screwed it to the wall yet, but this is where it's going to sit. And overall, quick and easy build. You could probably put it together in a few hours. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys picked up some tips and ideas to help you with your build. Thanks for watching, and I'm always grateful for those likes and subscribes. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.